Ji, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zain Ashraf Mughal. I'm the managing director of Super Asia Group. We're a company mainly dealing in home appliances from the past 50 years. We had a great experience with DSG. I think they were the most efficient when we floated our tender out and we got a lot of proposals. But the reason why we chose DSG was that they were one of them who has the most experience with dome roof solar paneling. And I think that's why we chose DSG, and they were very efficient in doing what they were supposed to do. And throughout the process, our engineering team was very deeply involved, and they found them very credible and efficient in what they had promised to us. Super Asia has always been on a forefront of sustainability and for reducing the carbon footprint in Pakistan. And this is our second project of solar installation under the umbrella of Super Asia.
I think they are really good on big scales, and Super Asia itself required around 4 megawatt, and currently we have so far for our initial project which we did for like 1.5 megawatt. हमने जब choose किया तो we have set the timelines और DSG ने उस within timelines को उन चीज़ों को complete किया. I think the DSG has a very good past experience with many other companies which we have checked before, and I think after getting their services, now we show that they are very good partners because they are flexible in price, they are flexible with time, they are flexible in installation, and during installation if we have any queries they are ready to solve on time. And Alhamdulillah, this is our experience which you have seen, and I think for long term they are very good, and now we are going again with them for our long term planning.